Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn using water wisely. That is lesson number 3. We have already studied about water cycle. Now we'll see the next point of the lesson, that is snow. All of you know white color snowfall is there in the region where is very cool area. So when water vapor cools suddenly in higher region, they form small ice particles, that is called snow. It is the solid form of water. A number of ice particles which look like fluffy bits of cotton come gently down on the earth. This is called snowfall. It occurs in very cold places on hills and mountains. So you also have seen snowfall. If you are not seen, you can see the pictures, videos. You can ask to parents to show the videos of snowfall. Next point is water shortage. There can be no life without water. Rain is the main source of water, but we do not get rain throughout the year. It is not spread evenly all over the country. At some places there is heavy rainfall, while at other places it hardly rains, so areas receiving scanty rainfall have to face water shortage. Now see the picture. In this picture you can see water shortage is seen here. In the first picture, one tanker is there and so many people are trying to get water from that tanker, and the another picture, the women are going so far to collect just one bucket of water. So from the picture only we will understand so much shortage of water is there. Now what are the reason of this shortage of water that we are going to discuss? First thing is we all remove underground water with the help of hand pumps, tube wells. We remove the water motors we use, and we remove that water for our use. Now lakes, ponds, they dry up because there is no rainfall. People do not get water to drink or to irrigate the fields. फार्ममध्ये पाणी द्यायला पण नसतं, अजून पिण्याला पण पाणी मिळत नाही. In cities people can purchase the tankers, but in villages they face more problem. They need to go very long distance to search water due to human activities and increasing population. Now why this shortage happen? पाऊस का पडत नाही? So that is most important reason is the human being. We cut the trees, we use more vehicles, we have more industries, factories. Because of that industries, factories, vehicles, carbon dioxide is thrown out, and because of that carbon dioxide whole environment is polluted. Now to get oxygen, get fresh air, we need to plant more trees. Instead we are we human being are doing, we are cutting the trees. So this is the main reason. Population is increasing, more population is increasing in the country, so because of that also need of water is increased. So this is also one reason for decreasing rainfall. Sometimes people throw waste into rivers, so this is also one type of pollution, that is called water pollution. It occurs due to throwing wastage in the water bodies. Also the wastage thrown out through the industries, factories, that also goes under the water bodies. So because of that water bodies become dirty and we can't drink or we use that water. Now forest also, we are cutting forest areas to build big buildings there. So that is also main reason why there is decrease in rainfall. Ponds, lakes and rivers are not getting recharged as fast as they are getting used up. त्यांचा यूज होतो, पॉन्ड्स छोटे छोटे तळे असतात त्यांचा यूज होतो, पण त्याच्यामध्ये पाणी येत नाही कारण रेनफॉलच नाही. सो these are the big reasons why there is scarcity of water. Now we'll see next point, that is water harvesting. See the picture, you will understand what is water harvesting. Means पावसाचं जे पाणी असतं ते टाकीमध्ये वगैरे साठवलं जातं, त्यालाच म्हणतात water harvesting. So we'll see water harvesting means to collect rainwater where it falls. Rainwater harvesting is a simple and cheap method of recharging groundwater. The rainwater that flows down from the roof and courtyard is not allowed to flow away. It is directed to a deep hole in the ground. Thus, it recharges the groundwater. Our government is encouraging rainwater harvesting. So this is important one. ह्याच्यामुळे काय होतं, अंडरग्राउंड पाणीची कॅपॅसिटी वाढते, बिकॉज आपण रेन वॉटर साठवून ते अंडरग्राउंडमध्ये साठवतो. सो ॲडव्हान्टेजेस काय आहेत, ह्याचे काय उपयोग आहेत, ह्याचा काय फायदा आहे आपल्याला. इट इज अन आयडियल सोल्युशन टू वॉटर शॉर्टेज. ह्याच्यामुळे वॉटर शॉर्टेज कमी होऊ शकतं. इट इम्प्रूव्ज द क्वालिटी ऑफ ग्राउंड वॉटर. ग्राउंड वॉटरची क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव्ह होते, तिथं पाण्याचं प्रमाण जास्त होतं. इट रेजेस वॉटर लेवल्स इन वेल्स अँड बोरवेल्स. वेल्स आणि बोरवेल्सची वॉटर लेवल वाढते. इट डिक्रीजेस इन्सिडंट्स ऑफ फ्लडिंग. येस, इन्सिडंट्स ऑफ फ्लडिंग मीन्स रेन वॉटर जर साठवून आपण अंडरग्राउंडमध्ये केलं तर पूर यायचे प्रमाण कमी होते. So these are few reasons. So we have studied, see the picture again, how they collect water of rain. This method is called as water harvesting, rainwater harvesting. So for today we'll stop here. Thank you.